Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can host custom website using S3 bucket in our AWS new dashboard. So let's see how we can host a custom website. As you can see, I am on my hosting website. Here I have one custom domain name which is oml0092.tk. I want to host this website using S3. So let's move to AWS console. Here click on S3 in recently visited. First of all, create a bucket. For this, click on create bucket. In bucket name, type the name of your website, which is www.oml0092.tk. In region, you can use any region. I am going with default region. Now scroll down to public access, uncheck block all public access and click on I acknowledge. Scroll down to the bottom and click on create bucket. As you can see, our bucket is created successfully. Now go to the bucket. Here now click on permissions, scroll down to the bucket policy and click on edit. Here I am replacing the policy with full access. After replacing policy, change the ARN in resource. I'm just copying the name of bucket, replacing with older ARN. Now scroll down and click on save changes. Now click on objects and click on upload. Now click on add files. Select both files and click on open. Scroll down and click on upload. As you can see, our files are uploaded successfully. Now click on close. Now we need to promote this bucket to static website. For this, click on properties. Scroll down to the bottom. Here we have static website hosting. Click on edit. Click on enable. Type index.html in index document and type error.html in error document. Now further scroll down and click on save changes. As you can see, our changes are saved successfully. Now again scroll down to the bottom and click on the bucket website link. As you can see, this website is running properly, but we have one problem here. If you look into the URL of the website, which is www.oml0092.tk.s3-website.useast-2.amazonaws.com. We want to load this website with www.oml0092.tk, which is our website name. If I hit enter, you can see now our website is not working properly. We need to do some further changes. For this, go back to the AWS console, click on services, scroll down to the network and content delivery, and here click on route 53. Here we need to create a hosted zone. In DNS management, click on create hosted zone. In domain name, type your website name, which is www.oml0092.tk. Scroll down and click on create hosted zone. As you can see, our hosted zone is created successfully. Here you can see we have some NS records. We need to add these records in our hosting website. For this, go to your hosting website. In the domain, click on manage domain. Now click on management tools. Click on name servers. Now click on use custom name servers. Here we need to add all name server one by one. Go to AWS console, copy name server one by one and paste here. After adding all name servers, click on change name servers. Now you can see our changes saved successfully. Now again go to route 3 and create another record. For this, click on create record. We are going to create an alias. For this, click on alias to enable it. Now choose endpoint, click on endpoint. We are going to create alias with our S3. For this, click on alias to S3 website endpoint. Now click on choose region. In which region we have created this website, which is US East 2. Now click on enter S3 point. Here we have one S3 point. Choose this and click on create records. As you can see, our record is created successfully. Now go to the tab of our website URL and click on refresh. Here you can see now our website is running properly with our custom domain name. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.